Evening friends, welcome. The Indian stock market is divided into several types that are primary market where companies are raising the capital by issuing new shares to the public in the form of initial public offering, that is IPOs. This is the first point or first time the companies are offering the equity to the public, so that is why it is known as primary market. Second one is secondary market also known as stock exchanges. These market allows investors to buy and sell the securities that are already listed on the market, so that is why it is secondary market, because primary market activity is already over and now the security is available in the stock exchange. So in India there are two types of stock exchange or two stock exchange: Bombay Stock Exchange BSE and National Stock Exchange NSE. Equity market, a segment of the secondary market where shares or equities are publicly listed companies are traded. Investors can buy and sell shares. By that way, they are becoming the owner of the holding percentage of the share. Now, the next type of market is debt market. Debt market, a market where fixed income securities like bonds and debentures are traded. This market helps companies and government to raise the fund, right? Another type of market is derivative market. The derivative market is a market where financial contracts are happening and traded based on the underlying assets of security, like future and options, which are deriving their value by the underlying stock or companies or cryptocurrencies or foreign currencies, right? So future and options are the commonly traded derivatives in our country. Next type of market is commodity market. A commodity market is where physically goods like gold, oil and agriculture products are traded. So, commodity exchange in India includes the multi commodity exchange MCX and national commodity exchange, that is NCDES, National Commodities and Derivative Exchange. Next type of market is the money market. What is money market? A market for short term borrowing and lending of funds, typically used by large institutions to manage their funding needs. That is money market because it is short term market. Here the buying and selling of things or securities are happening for short term. Next type of market is forex market. It's a market where currencies are traded and allowed participants to buy, sell, or exchange currencies. This market provide various opportunity for all type of investors, because we have discussed 5 to 6 types of market. So all these markets are providing the ample opportunity to the investors according to their desire and risk appetite and their choice of preference in which they want to trade. So we have talked about the different types of market, but before going for investing in any types of market, it is to be understand that each market is having some pros and cons and some crucial things each and every investor must be aware before going for the investment. So that is all about the different types of market we have talked. I hope we have gone We have gained a good amount of knowledge. Stay tuned for more such type of engaging content and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.